Hello. Talagang binigyan ko pa yung sarili ko ng platform kung saan dadaldal ako ng dadaldal. Sana matis niyo ako, di ba? So, pagbigyan niyo na. So, hello, welcome to What's the Catch? Kung saan, basically, I will just yap about my week, about what's going on in my life. Kasi guys, the reason kung bakit ko to ginawa, itong I don't know if I could call this a podcast. Kasi di naman talaga siya podcast. More on like just a weekly talking session. Pero basically, it's kind of a podcast. So, ginawa ko lang talaga tong podcast na to. Kasi, tinatamad na ako mag-journal, guys. Meron kasi akong journal. I just like write about my week and all. Kaso, nakakalimutan ko na siya. So, ang ginagawa ko, I just write like little details about my week. And then, I will just yap about it. And yun lang talaga yun. And basically just, you guys will just listen. Wala kayong choice. Makikinig lang talaga kayo. So, for this new, I don't know, for this new thing that I'm going to enter. I don't know if I could commit to it, but I really want it to happen. Because I've been thinking about it for a while now. And I just really like to talk a lot. Gusto ko talagang dumaldal. Kaso guys, nakakaano din kasi, na like, if nagsusulat ako sa journal ko, na, alam niyo yung feeling na, ay, sobrang OA na. Parang stop, parang nagaganon ako. Gusto ko na lang siyang sabihin ng person, or like, gusto ko na lang siyang sabihin towards someone. Kaso, nakakalimutan ko din kasi yung mga sasabihin ko. So, eto na siya. Sinulat ko na lang sa journal ko yung mga gusto kong sabihin, and then I will just yap it. I will just talk it out. You get me? So, I hope you'll stay with me and bear with me for whatever this is I'm entering. Kasi, eto na eh. So, watch out. Charas. So, maybe new episodes will come out every week. We don't know. Kasi I don't really wanna like say na may schedule kasi alam ko medyo hindi kayo mapapanindigan. Pero I will try na every week may episodes. And I hope so meron. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. And watch out. Kasi I will be taking over whatever it is I'll be taking over. Thank you.